And greetings, followers. Meteorologist and weather prognosticator Chad Merrill with a special weather preview as we track Fred's moisture coming into the mid-Atlantic this week. Here is the tropical system making landfall on Monday afternoon along the Gulf Coast. We had indicated in the earlier podcast that you will see that there was potential for tropical development along the southeast coast through the middle of August. This particular storm system is going to track just west of the Appalachian Spine Tuesday and Wednesday. So what that means is heavy rain will produce some flash flooding across the mid-Atlantic. Tuesday afternoon, there will be some pockets of showers and storms that produce locally heavy rain. The most widespread showers and thunderstorms will occur on Wednesday as the storm tracks just west of the Appalachian Ridge into western Pennsylvania and then tracks north into New York State. So in total, there will be 2 to 4 inches of rain across much of western Pennsylvania, and especially here between the Route 219 corridor in the Appalachians to the I-81 corridor. Flash flooding will be a big concern, especially because of the various terrain elements and some of the poor drainage areas entrenched within the Appalachians, especially as we work through State College, Johnstown, Cumberland, and down towards Elkins, West Virginia. Also, because the storm is tracking to the west of the mountains, there will be a couple of tornadoes that develop and move northward within these thunderstorms. They will be short-lived, probably no more than 5 to 15 minutes in duration, but there will be a couple of tornadoes across the mid-Atlantic, especially along and west of I-95. Other areas of the mid-Atlantic will see at 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain. Much of central Virginia, all the way to the coastline, there will be about 3/4 to 1.5 inches of rain in the eastern mid-Atlantic, north and east of Maryland into Delaware, eastern Pennsylvania, and parts of New Jersey, where scattered severe thunderstorms with gusty winds and 1 or 2 tornadoes are likely with this system. Here is the rainfall anomaly so far this summer. There's been a surplus here across much of northern Pennsylvania, western Pennsylvania, but notice this area of south central Pennsylvania, western Maryland, the I-81 corridor has been void of rain, where the deficits are 2 to 4 inches below average. This tropical system is going to put us much closer to average in these particular locations. We also have moderate drought that has developed across the I-81 corridor in Virginia, also parts of western Maryland and West Virginia. So this rain will go a long way to erasing a good bit of the drought that has developed across the interior parts of the mid-Atlantic. We also want to get you up to speed on the smoke forecast, because during this particular week, August 17th through the 18th, with the storm system moving northward from the Gulf of Mexico, there won't be any issues with smoke or air quality across the east. Those concerns will be confined to the northern plains and the mountain west as we go throughout the first half of the week. And don't forget, you can also purchase the 2022 Hagerstown Town & Country Almanac. That is available now. You can find all the retailers that are selling the almanac just by going to almanac.com. The latest information, as well as our August forecast, which is on there. We also have some interesting articles written by myself and a couple of others that you will find featured, as well as the winter outlook for 2021-2022. Thank you for joining me for this special weather podcast.